In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology and human progress, one concept stands out: the synergy between humans and artificial intelligence. The story of artificial intelligence, or AI, is a tale of evolution. An evolution that mirrors our own journey from the dawn of consciousness to the complex beings we are today. Yet, this narrative is not marked by millions of years but mere decades. In the words of Karim R.Lakhani, a Harvard Business School professor, AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. This thought encapsulates the essence of our journey with AI, one of partnership, not replacement. The power of AI lies in its capacity to process vast amounts of data with speed and precision that outmatches human capabilities. This frees us from the shackles of mundane tasks, allowing us to soar to the heights of higher-level thinking. This is not artificial intelligence replacing human intelligence, but rather augmenting it. This concept, known as augmented intelligence, signifies how AI amplifies our abilities, helping us make more informed and insightful decisions. In every corner of our society, from healthcare to finance, from manufacturing to education, AI is reshaping the landscape. It optimizes processes, predicts outcomes, and pushes the boundaries of what we once thought possible. In this AI-driven era, it is essential for us to acquire the skills to effectively collaborate with AI. This does not only open doors to exciting career opportunities, but also empowers us to drive innovation, solve complex challenges, and contribute to positive societal transformations. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. As we harness the capabilities of AI, we must ensure its ethical development and use. We must guard against biases and potential harm, ensuring that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. Imagine a future where humans and AI work in harmony, a partnership that marries human creativity, values, and context with AI's analytical prowess. In this vision of the future, Karim R.Lakhani's words ring true. AI doesn't replace us. It empowers us. It's a tool that propels us to new heights of productivity, innovation, and progress. As we step into this future, remember that the future belongs to those who embrace the collaboration between humans and AI. As we close this chapter, let's circle back to the words of Karim R.Lakhani. AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. It is a reminder that we are not being replaced, but rather we are replacing the old limitations with limitless possibilities. This is our story with AI, a tale of evolution, partnership, and limitless potential.